I'm Lou Schwartz with a company called Century Associates. We're a recruitment firm in Philadelphia, and we currently have an opportunity with a client looking for a R&D chemist, someone that has a strong background in synthesis. They make polyurethanes. They're located in Bucks County, Pennsylvania, and this is a tremendous opportunity. The company has the best benefits package I've ever seen. And I would love an opportunity to discuss the position with you. My phone number is 215-732-4311, extension 34. If you're an R&D chemist, please give me a call. My email address is lschwartz@centuryassociates.com. That's lschwartz@centuryassociates.com. And Century is like 100 years with a C. Okay, I look forward to hearing from you. Take care. Bye-bye.